Hi guys, my name is Kashish and मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. Today in this video I will be showing you everything that I got from Savannah. So Savannah recently sent me this big box of clothes that you can see, and I have received this and I have been waiting to unbox it with you all. I am very excited because I have tried their clothes before. They have the best styles, the best quality and also the best colors. Without any further talking, let's quickly get into the video and start unboxing this very big box of clothes. This is the first piece of clothing that we have. It is in blue color, and if I am not wrong, this is a bodycon dress. One thing that I love about Savannah is that they send the clothes in this cute little bag which come in so handy when you are traveling. We have this very pretty blue color, powder blue color, or you can say sky blue color ka bodycon dress. It is an A-line dress which has like these lines running, and it is sleeveless as you can see. It has the same front and back, and it is a long dress. As you can see, it goes all the way till your ankles, and yeah, it's a long midi dress. And अगर आपको पता है तो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं ऐसे full A-line dresses जो कि एकदम long हो. So it is very comfortable for me because I can just layer a denim jacket with it and go out. Is the first thing that we picked. Let's open the next parcel. I think this is a skirt. So if you have seen my previous video, last time I ordered a skirt and I fell in love with the concept and how comfortable yet pretty looking skirt is. So I ordered another one for me. If you don't know what a skirt means, it is basically shorts that look like skirts, so you get the look of a skirt and वो comfortable shorts की तरह होते हैं बिल्कुल. This is how it looks. I love it. I love it. It is so aesthetic, the color, the design, and it is so Pinteresty. This is how it looks from the inside. It is very soft. Okay, there's this hook here. Side में इसके ये long zip दी गई है, so won't be difficult to fit. And ऐसे पीछे pockets है. On to the next product, we have an evening dress which is black and golden in color. I remember ordering this. I loved it when I looked at it on the website, and wow, it is a very beautiful pretty piece. This is how the entire dress looks like. It is again a long midi dress. This is this very basic neckline वाला dress, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो sleeveless है, आगे से basic थोड़ा falling है उसका neck. Fabric ऊपर का जो है वो net पर है, ये design पूरी जो है, but अंदर से it has this soft material which is called nylon I think. But yeah, it is very soft. I am very excited to style this because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा रात को डिनर के लिए या फिर बाहर जाने के लिए. बहुत ही प्यारा इवनिंग ड्रेस है, लॉन्ग. आई कैन ऑल्सो वेयर इट टू अ स्पेशल इवेंट बिकॉज इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. नेक्स्ट पीस ऑफ क्लोथिंग है वो जीन्स है, एंड ये जीन्स मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस स्ट्रेट कट टोन जीन्स. ये इसका पीछे का है. इट हैज पॉकेट्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. पीछे आगे का कुछ इस तरीके से है. रियली लव जीन्स जिसके बॉटम ना ऐसे होते हैं थोड़े से टोन. आई रियली लाइक दोज जीन्स. आई डोंट हैव एन आंसर टू व्हाई आई लाइक दीज, बट याद काफी मेरे को अच्छे लगते हैं. नी के नीचे से थोड़ी ये टोन है विच आई थिंक लुक्स रियली वेरी गुड. टोन जीन्स अभी थोड़ा लोग अवॉइड करते हैं पहनना, बट आई रियली लव दिस. आई थिंक टोन जीन्स का फैशन अब इतना रहा नहीं है, बट मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे. एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स रियली कूल to just wear a basic t-shirt with tone jeans, wear shoes and just go out. It is the best type of outfits. I don't actually own a pair of white shorts, and that is exactly what I ordered. You can never go wrong with basic colors. You should own basic colors हर चीज में. And this is how the shorts look like. I love how they have this tone bottom. Again the ending is tone. दोनों तरफ से ऐसे ही है. ऊपर से एकदम basic है. 2 pockets at the front and same पीछे से 2 pockets है. And इसके जो pockets है वो भी tone है, which I really like. Next, if we move on, we have a pink color dress which is a very cute dress. So this is the pink color का long dress again, जो कि A-line dress है, and it is the same as the blue one as we saw, but it has a difference. It has this darker shade on the dress which makes it look even more pretty. I ordered this especially for the color. I love how it has dual tone of this pink, and I really like clothes which has 2 shades of the same color. I think it makes it look very nice, and I am a pink lover. Recently I have been loving pink and I think it looks good on my body. So this is how it looks. इसका आगे का ऐसा है, and then again it is an A-line dress तो आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो इट इज अ प्लेन ड्रेस, बाकी पूरा का पूरा प्लेन है। आई कैन इमेजिन मैं इसको बाहर पहन के जाऊंगी तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल और सॉफ्ट फील करेगा। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट पीस पे, जो कि ये ब्लैक कलर का अगेन डेनिम पीस है। नाउ इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग दिस आर स्कर्ट्स। एज आई सेड आई लव स्कर्ट सो मच, मुझे वो हर कलर में चाहिए। इट इज सो कूल, लुक एट दिस, इट इज अ स्कर्ट, यू कांट लुक एट इट एंड टेल दैट इट इज अ स्कर्ट। पीछे भी 2 पॉकेट्स है, वेराज इसके आगे भी मैंने आपको जैसे कि दिखाया 2 पॉकेट्स पर है और एक यहाँ पर नीचे है। बट लुक एट दीज आर सो कूल, एकदम ही इसका पिंटरेस्टी वाइब है, एकदम स्कर्ट का बोल सकते हो। आई एब्सोल्युटली फेल इन लव विद देम एज सून एज आई सॉ देम ऑन द वेबसाइट। Honestly, all of these clothes are so soft. Next we have a basic white top. It has this cool neckline going around. ये वो वाला टॉप है जो ऐसे एकदम stretchy होता है, which is called like a free size top. And this is a very versatile top. It would actually go on anything and everything, any jeans, any skirt, any shorts. So yeah, I can even wear it with the white shorts because I love all white outfits as well. I try to collect some basics. Having a lot of black and white top is always a good decision, and I don't have a lot of them, so I think of getting more and more. And this one that I picked, I really like the look. I really like that it is long. I'm tired of wearing crop tops and short tops, so I really like this. I can tuck it in or I can keep it out however I want. But yeah, good material, good design. Next we have one more dress which is black in color. I know pink dress dekha tha. This is the exact same dress but it has nothing written on it. So as you can see, this is the basic round neckline that it has. It is a sleeveless dress and this is an again A-line dress. It is very soft and it is a long midi A-line dress, and this is how the dress would look. I think it looks really nice. You can honestly never go wrong with black and white, so that is why I bought this. I love wearing dresses and that is because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता है ऐसे dresses के साथ. I can literally wear them and style it with some jewelry, purse and nice footwear, and that is it. Whereas when we wear jeans, we have to figure out the jeans, then we have to figure out a top, and it is so chaotic. This beautiful black and white dress can literally be worn anywhere, and that is why I bought this one. I love the black and white happening here, and yeah, I love it. Now it is time for the next outfit, जो कि वापस black color का है. Now I think इस बार मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा blacks and whites order किए हैं. Colorful में मैंने सिर्फ pink and blue order किया है. Last summer haul that I did from Savannah was काफ़ी colorful comparatively. It had a lot of pinks. Now this is an evening corset top which is black in color. आप देख सकते हो. It is a tube top and it is a corset. अगर आप देख सकते हो. I don't know if you can see, but this is the hard wiring that it has. It is going all the way from here to नीचे, and this is how the top looks. I really like the way it looks. मैंने order किया to pair it with jeans and I think it will look really very cool. This is how the top looks. I absolutely love it. It has elastic, so it should fit me well. I don't own any corset and that is the reason I ordered this. It is a tube top. I don't usually feel very comfortable wearing tube tops. I love how it looks on me and that is the reason I ordered this one. I wore a white corset and it looked fabulous on me, and that is exactly the reason why I ordered a black one. Can't wait to style this for a dinner or sometime I go out. It would look so classy and chic. Just absolutely love it. Absolutely love this corset, and the length of the top is so good, the material is so good, and I think it will fit me really well because of the elastic situation happening. वापस से हमने ली है एक denim. अगर हम इस jeans की बात करें, the first thing that attracted me towards it is this, the button situation. मतलब normal नहीं है, थोड़ा सा design दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर जो कि ऐसे slant जा रहा है. So I really like that happening. I don't know why. It might be very silly, but I really liked it. It looked काफ़ी cool because when you wear short or crop tops, आपकी नज़र यहाँ पर जाएगी and it looks really cool. So I saw something like this for the first time, so yeah, that attracted me. If you look at this entire portion, it looks very nice, not something basic that you see in every jeans. And then आप देखोगे नीचे नीचे जाओगे तो it is stone again यहाँ से knee के area से, and नीचे से ये थोड़े से wide pants है. It is not a straight cut, हल्के से wide है. I really like the jeans. It is very casual and looks very comfy. I really like the look of it. I don't own any pair of jeans which are like these, and that is the only reason reason I ordered this, because they looked very cool to me. तो वो दूसरी jeans जो थी वो light blue color है, this is dark blue, so it's good to have both of these shades in my wardrobe. That is why I ordered this one. Next up, I have a grey basic top. Now it has nothing special to it. I don't own any grey top, and this top right here that you can see, it looked exactly like a Skims top. You can look at the top and say कि इसका fit काफी अच्छा होगा. This material is that hugging material, so when I wear it, I am sure that this material will hug my body, and it looks super cute, super comfy, and इतना ज़्यादा soft material है. Like, I can't even tell you, it is so soft, and I definitely can feel that this will be very comfortable and very good looking. It's time हम last piece देखें हमारा इस पूरे haul का in clothing, and that is again this black colored top. Now this is a black colored lace bodysuit which my sister has something like this, and she has been using it for years, and I really like that bodysuit because it is so versatile. It literally goes on anything and everything, and that is exactly the reason I ordered this one, because I think it is so chic, so versatile. Lace here really looks very nice, and it has lace here as well, so I can actually pair it with jeans, I can pair it with shorts, I can pair it with skirts, I can pair it with a skirt, and yeah, it would look really good with anything and everything, and I really love how it looks. It is so comfortable, so soft. It is satin, so you know what I mean. It just looks so pretty. It's time for me to show you some of the accessories that I bought from Savannah. Without thinking twice, I added it to the cart. And are you ready for the reveal? This is that baby that I was so excited आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए. Look at this. I love everything that is happening here. I love ऐसे purses जिसमें ना ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ लटक रहा होता है, because I think it looks very pretty and cute and good looking. And this is a very vintage-ish पर्स. अगर आपको पता है ऐसे पर्स पहले होते थे, like with this flap happening and these all of these studs and all of these hangings and these hearts and all of this situation. This मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ये पर्स vintage पर्स प्लस मॉडर्न का मिक्सचर है. So cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. I ordered twinning chains for myself and my sister. This is how the first one looks, and I think it is so cute. It is my sign, which is Sagittarius. And then I have ordered one more in this. These are sun sign chains. I have ordered this. I think they look so cute and so dainty. I love dainty jewelry and something that is minimal. I can also layer this. And yeah, these are the chains that I have ordered. And yeah, that is everything that I got from Savannah, and I think I am in love with each and every piece that I got. The design, the color, the fit, the quality, the cloth, everything about it is so good. I honestly love all the pieces. They are all so good that I can't choose one favorite. So Savannah has some really cool clothes. The collection is trendy. को कुछ भी ऐसा चाहिए जो कि current fashion में है, you will get that there. And I honestly am a fan of Savannah. It has the latest styles, and जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, उसकी quality, look, fit, design, everything is so good. Especially the fit of the clothes. They are so good. And आपने जो कुछ भी आज हॉल में देखा, सब कुछ linked होगा description में, so you can check them out. You can use my code to get special discounts and offers on the Savannah website or on their app. Go to the Savannah website or the app right now and shop for you. Do not forget to use my code, get special discounts and offers on your purchase. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, इस पे कमेंट कीजिए और इसे सबके साथ शेयर कीजिए, आपकी friends or family के साथ. Haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram as well. I try to be very active there as well. आज के लिए इतना ही, but I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.